Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic, and this is part 2 of ways to treat athlete's foot. So once again, you don't have to be an athlete to get athlete's foot. It's something that afflicts everybody, especially people who wear a lot of tight-fitting shoes for long periods of time and don't have good foot hygiene. And it's typically marked by itchiness around and between the toes, scaly or cracked peeling patches of skin, dryness on the bottoms or sides of the feet, and thick, ragged, and discolored toenails. And typically affects more men than women. And good news, though, it's something that you can take simple measures to treat and cure and lessen the effects of. So in the second part, I'm going to give you a few more easy to implement tips on how to get rid of this. So another way to do is to get rid of this is just to simply use soap and keep your feet dry. So hygiene is a huge part, whether or not you get athlete's foot, as does drying your feet after you wash them. Washing your feet daily helps rid your skin of fungus, while drying it thoroughly ensures that it won't come back or worsen. So you'll need plain old hand soap, water, a towel, a hair dryer would help too to just get all the water off, although that's not absolutely necessary. So twice a day, thoroughly wash your feet with soap and water. Make sure that you get to the area between your toes. When you're done, dry them off, and moist means fungus, so use a soft, clean towel and again get between your toes because athlete's foot is contagious. So don't use the same towel and make sure it's been washed in extra hot water after every use. If your feet stubbornly want to stay damp, you can also try gently drying them with a hair dryer, which can get rid of that little extra bit of wetness the towel couldn't get rid of. So make sure it's on the warm or even cold settings so you don't overdo it and burn your feet. Soda for your shoes. Baking soda kills bacteria and works well as an antifungal agent. So sprinkle some in your shoes after wearing them and create a paste and rub them onto your feet. So you need 3 parts baking soda, 1 part cool water. Wash your feet with water, dry them completely, and then mix 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water or until a thick paste forms. And then rub that onto your feet in a gentle circular motion, being sure to get between your toes. Then let it dry and run your feet under cool water and make sure to dry them completely again next time you do it. Spread the word, not the foot. Athlete's foot is contagious, and if you have it, you know how unpleasant it is. Keep it from spreading to others or from spreading it back to yourself by following some simple suggestions, like wash your hands with soap and water after coming in contact with it. After bathing, wash out the tub or shower with an antiseptic cleaner. Don't share towels. Keep all towels and linens clean. If you're going to be using a public shower, wear sandals or flip-flops. Wash your socks in extra hot water and never rewear the same pair of socks without washing them first. And another good thing to do is alternate your shoes every other day. If your feet have been in a pair of shoes, the fungus is there too, so treat them with an antiseptic spray or baking soda and wear different shoes every day. Alternate the pairs. If your feet sweat a lot, you can even wear multiple pairs of shoes during the same day. Not at the same time, of course, but at different times during the day, so you can let them dry out. Also, another thing you can do is lemon rinse for odor. Rinsing your feet with a lemon juice and water mixture can help minimize any odor or unpleasant smell that your feet may be emitting as a result of athlete's foot. So what you'll need for this is half a cup of lemon juice, 10 cups of slightly warm or lukewarm water. Soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes once or twice a day to minimize the odor. So anyway, I hope this helps. Your feet are important, to make an understatement. We use them a lot, and if they aren't comfortable, it's almost a guarantee that you won't be comfortable either throughout the day. Not to mention that even if they weren't all that important, there are very few things more infuriating than having an itch inside your shoe, especially since you can't scratch it. Then you either have to stomp on your own foot to relieve the itch or pull the whole shoe off, and it's just a pain in the neck. So to maintain your own sanity and feel better, remember that a little bit of daily dedication with simple home remedies like the ones I've mentioned in these videos can be enough to keep keep your best foot forward and also keep your shoe on. So hope this helps. Check us out on newhopechiropractic.com and have a great day.